Hi dear students, now we are going to see the worksheet number 16. The lesson is citizens and citizenship. First question, Latin word civics means resident of a city-state of ancient Rome. And second question, the Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. Answer is D option. And third question, which among the following country has dual citizenship? எந்த நாட்டில் இரட்டை குடியுரிமை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா அது ஆன்சர் இஸ் சி, Switzerland. And the next question is, when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, she automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. So that type of citizenship is called as D option, termination citizenship. And alien immigrant are two terms that are used to refer of non-nationals of a country. So answer is B option. Fill in the blanks. Indian Citizenship Act was enacted in 1955. When Pondicherry became a part of India, the government of India issued its citizenship order in 1962. As per the order, President is the first citizen of our country. According to 42nd Amendment of our Constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. The important quality of good citizen is obey the laws. Overseas Indians Day is January 9. Our Indian Constitution provides single citizenship. Match the following: civics, Latin; natural citizen, citizen by birth; naturalized citizen, acquired citizenship; NRI, non-resident Indian; PIO, Indian ancestors. True or false? First question, natural citizenship is citizenship acquired not by birth. False. A person who married Indian citizen must have lived 6 years in India before applying for citizenship. True. If any foreign territory becomes a part of India, the government of India specifies the person who among the people of the territory shall be the citizens of India. True. Nationality of a person cannot be changed, but citizenship can be changed. True. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live in, is part of a worldwide community rather than as a citizen of particular nation or place. Answer is true. And next, write the good qualities of a good citizen in the given picture below. Loyalty to the Constitution, respecting diversity and obeying the laws, and contributes to society and performs civic activities. These are the good qualities of a good citizen of India. From the pictures given below, which picture shows Overseas Indians Day? C picture. Answer is written of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa. That is only correct one. Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe our channel.